Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to get iOS 27 developer beta on your any model iPhone. So doesn't matter what you are use any model iPhone. Simply just open your settings. Press on to general. Showing it to iPhone storage. Must be you free up your storage. Must be need to capacity 20 GB. Second step, language and region. So you must be select your region United States. So if you are living any country, first time you just select to United States. Once you get iOS 27 developer beta, then you install and get back to your normal region. Okay, and open your Safari browser, go to search option, search set to Apple developer option. So open this and must be sign in this. Okay, and you just reset your iPhone. So volume up, volume down, and wrong press your power button, not moving your power button finger once showing it to Apple logo. Okay, and moving your finger. So you just follow these tricks, then you can get 100% iOS 27 developer beta option.